Summers are hot, so is this great house which will be coming to market for sale next week, 6099 Gemini Crescent. I'm Praveen Monga, your realtor from Home Life Miracle. My new listing 6099 Gemini Crescent gonna be hitting the market soon. This beautiful detached home is 2200 square feet, surrounded by great neighborhood, creek, best school, trails, and lot more feature in the house. When you're gonna come, you will love this. Let's come and explore it. You will fall in love with this cozy basement. Why? This has a professional level pool table. Perfect spot to have your friends and family over and enjoy a game night or a movie night. It comes with a 3D sound system and I love every bit of it. A personal zen space, lovely backyard, patio, covered gazebo, hot tub, place for barbecue, hammock. You can't ask for more. This is a perfect spot for those who love to host, and my favorite too.